Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are facing this kind of error diagnosing your PC or your system is stuck on this error diagnosing your PC, in this video let's fix this error. First, shut down your laptop. So press and hold the power key and forcefully shut down your laptop. Now you have to open your system in advanced mode. I will show you how to do it. First, turn on your laptop and wait for the Windows logo. Now forcefully shut down your laptop, press and hold the power key and shut down your laptop forcefully. Okay, now do the same thing again. Turn on your laptop. Okay, now wait for the Windows logo. Now do the same thing again. Press and hold the power key and shut down your laptop forcefully. Okay, now again do the same thing. Turn on your laptop. Do the same thing again. Press and hold the power key to shut down your laptop forcefully. Now again turn on your laptop and wait for the Windows logo. Now wait and do not shut down your laptop. You can see the line preparing automatic repair. So now your system will going to be open in advanced mode. Wait for few minutes. And here you can see this is the advanced mode we need. Click on this option, advanced option. Now click on troubleshoot. Click on advanced option. Now you have to open this command prompt option. Click on it. Now select your login username. Enter your laptop password. Press enter. Now you have to type a command. So the first command will be sfc /scan now. So this command will repair your Windows corrupted files. Type this command carefully and press enter. And this process will take around 3 to 5 minutes to complete. Process completed. Now type the next command. Type this command carefully, boot rec /fix mbr. So this will repair your mbr file. Press enter. Now type the next command. So type this command carefully, boot sect /nt60 sys. Press enter. Type the next command. Boot rec /fix boot. Press enter. Type the next command. Bootrack /rebuilt bcd. Type this command carefully. Press enter. Now wait for a few seconds. Now type the final command. chkdsk /f c colon. Type this command carefully, then press enter. That's it. Now type exit. Press enter, and after that click on continue, and this will fix your error. So this is all for the video. Thank you.